Dear children, today we are going to learn a new poem, Teamwork. I'll read the poem for you, children. Teamwork, teamwork, together we can make our dream work. Then we'll share the joy of what we have done. Teamwork, everyone. It's fun to shoot the basketball through the hoop, but if nobody passes, then nobody shoots. And the relay race just can't go on if nobody wants to pass the baton. We are the parts that make up the whole, and we have got our eyes on a common goal. Sometimes it can be a big plus when a you or a me becomes an us. This is such a nice poem. It talks about teamwork. We all love to work together. We like to work and play in a team. Now, what is a team? Team means two or more members together, they make a team. And when we work together to achieve a common goal, then we say it's a teamwork. Teamwork is combined effort of a group. Two or more members make a team, and every member of the team is very important. Now, in the poem, the word has come, basketball hoop. I'll read those lines for you. It's fun to shoot the basketball through the hoop, but if nobody passes, then nobody shoots. Here is the picture showing basketball and the hoop. Okay. Now, what the poem says, when we are playing basketball, the game goes like this, where the player has to pass the ball and their goal is to shoot the hoop. Now, if a player doesn't pass the ball, then what will happen? The game will not be interesting. The game will not be finished. Okay, you will lose interest in playing that game. The game cannot be completed. Similarly, in a race, in a relay race, the baton has to be passed on to complete the race. Now, suppose if any child doesn't pass the baton, then the relay race, do you think it will get complete? No, it cannot be completed. So passing the baton is very important. Passing the ball is very important. Okay, then only the team can win. The team can play together to complete the game, to complete the race. Now, we are the part that make up the whole. So every member of the team is very important, and all the members together makes a complete whole. Even if one member is missing, the team cannot be called as team. Incomplete team it will be. Okay, and all have to, how a teamwork will be successful if every member works to achieve the common goal. They all have a common goal of the teamwork. Okay, now sometimes it can be a big plus. Now when you are working together, not necessary that every time you are going to get a success only. Sometimes there can be some shortcomings. So sometimes it's a great success, or sometimes some more improvement is needed, more contribution is needed. When? Now how any teamwork will be successful? There are some important things that you should remember. That is, when a you or a me becomes an us, one single person cannot work in a teamwork. Everybody has to work. You should not say that I have done. You should say we have done. That we is very important because you are working together. When you try to take the credit to yourself, then the teamwork cannot be successful. Okay, so all have to be together. Okay. Now, what is the importance of teamwork? Yes, I have already told you the first one, that you are working for common goal. Now, what is the benefit? What is, like, if you're working in a team, what happens? You can complete that work on time. And when you are working together, every member is equally important. Okay, everybody feels that they are important, and you get the opportunity to be a leader. The leadership quality is inculcated, is developed in you. There are so many different ideas. Every member gives his or her own ideas. So many ideas, you get to complete the work. Then, while working in a team, you talk with one another. That is communication. You can express yourself, whatever you think, whatever your ideas, whatever is going on in your mind, whatever you feel, you express, you share that with your other team members. So there is healthy communication among yourselves, and you become good friends. So strong friendship is also developed among yourself, and working together gives great fun and enjoyment. You enjoy working with everyone. Okay, and let me tell you, children, it is everyone's responsibility to complete that work which is assigned to you in a team. So, I feel that you all must have enjoyed this poem, Teamwork. So, as I will be giving you some more information on teamwork. Okay, thank you. Have a nice time, children.